All right, hello everyone, this is Trevor. We are back with another exercise here. This time we are doing SQL injection attack, querying the database type and version on MySQL and Microsoft. So we're using the exploit in the product category filter. Again, we're going to do a union attack. To solve it, we just have to display the database version string. That's it. We've already done that once, and we did it in the last one on Oracle, so this should be a fairly straightforward lab. Let's get started with writing our thing. What is it? Querying database version MySQL Microsoft. So vim, we're going to do %querying database version MySQL Microsoft.py. We'll start out, actually we'll just start out with what we did last time, because querying database version Oracle, this is going to be a short video because we just may have to make a couple of tweaks to this. If you remember from the cheat sheet, Microsoft and MySQL both, you do select at version. We can see that by doing select at version. Of course, you have to include the semicolon. And boom, there we go. So that's all we got to do to solve this guy. We don't even have to select a database like what we did with Oracle. So we're going to remove this Oracle true from these two. We should, we should do this time? We should print out the results. After we select the version, we can do that. We can print out the results. So instead of banner, we need at version. So we're going to do select at version comma null from, and we don't need this table because there's a possibility that we're testing against MySQL. We do need the space here. Let's get category. Let's save that response equal. We'll not do the is solved, and then we're going to print out the response.text. This way we can go ahead and grab the database version and just print it out to make our script a little better. So I'm going to access the lab. As always, please remember to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content, which I hope you are. All right, so we've got our lab here, Python, querying database version MySQL. I want to put that guy in. Let's hit it. So determining number of columns, we got 2. We know which ones they are, 0 and 1. And internal server error, getting category, union select at version null from, we don't need the from. In fact, that will cause, not just that we don't need it, it will cause errors, as we saw. Without a table to select from, that from keyword causes errors. And, there we go. So 8.0.3, it's going to be the only result. So in our grep, we can just grep for this th. So we can do pattern equals re.compile. I'm sure you're all familiar with this by now. We're going to do let's do H. We should do it all there, because this is the only TH, which is the table header tag in the response. We're fine with just selecting that. We want a capture group. We're going to do a /? as always, and then we're going to tell it where to end. That should work. And then we'll do pattern.search. We're going to do response.text. We're going to save that as M for match, and version equals M1. Remember, the first one is the whole capture. The second one is our capture group. And then we'll log.info database version is, and then we'll do version. Just like that. We are going to need to import our E. We need to add an F here. And then if this works, we'll check if we got it solved. Database version, that works. So let's go ahead and check if we got it solved. And we do. Sweet. There we go. So database version was 8.0.3, which is a MySQL. I don't believe that's not SQL Server, so it's got to be MySQL. Let's see if we do select. Oh, yeah. So it's one version ahead of what I have here. 8.0.30, and what I haven't solved is 29. So yeah, it's one version ahead of this guy. Sweet. And this is MySQL database. If you want to run these, it's in my sample DB's GitHub, and that is let me just put it here. Select http github.com/tjcim/sample dbs. That's the URL for this repository, the sample database repository. All right, well, that's it. As always, if you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Goodbye.